Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to launch a BMW M2 only ways. Start with a warm engine and correct tire pressures, then set driving mode and traction control to the recommended launch setting. Hold the brake, find your target launch RPM, and prepare to modulate throttle on release. Release the brakes smoothly while feeding power to avoid bogging or excess wheel spin, keep steering steady, and shift at the power band peak. Warm the M2 fully before any hard launches, including a short drive with a few spirited pulls. Check tire pressure and alignment, aiming for consistent temperatures across the tread. Set the driving mode to the recommended launch control or sport setting, and choose traction control level that suits grip and skill. Secure seatbelt and helmet if required, clear the area, and brief any passengers. Practice smooth inputs before attempting full launches. Quick recommendation: if you like taking control, consider reading The Simple Path to Wealth for Smarter Financial Thinking. It pairs oddly well with performance driving. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more focused tips and car content. Check the description for the book link and other deals that help you save for track time or upgrades. Now let's get back to the video. Use a deliberate, repeatable routine. Hold brake with left foot, select launch RPM with throttle, and prepare to modulate. Build confidence with progressive tests, noting how wheel spin and bogging feel at different RPM points. On release, feed throttle smoothly to maintain drive without overloading tires, and shift crisply at the power band peak. Recover from any spin calmly, and avoid abrupt steering inputs. Always choose safe, legal areas for practice and respect others on the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.